Okay guys, so a couple weeks back I had an assignment where I had to show somebody how to solve a Rubik's Cube, but I had to make the video all professional and boring and just not me. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to solve a Rubik's Cube the junior way. Okay, actually let me put on my actual glasses. Okay guys, so the first step we have is the white cross. Now for this, you're gonna want to flip the cube upside down where you see the yellow, because the top of the cube will have this little logo on top. So you want to see the bottom, the yellow. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for these white pieces up top and we're gonna match them to the centerpiece. So you see right here how it's orange. So what we're gonna do is match it up with orange like that, and then we're gonna flip it up top. And we're gonna keep doing this with all like these little centerpieces. And now we have our white cross solved for. Okay, so the next step is going to be getting the corners. Now this is actually perfect because we already have one of the corners in the right spot. So basically you want to look for the orange, like these two colors right here, and make sure they're like in between each other. So right now we have orange, orange, green, green. So these two should be able to go right here. And also, before solving this, I'm going to teach you guys this one move that basically could solve the whole cube. So I'm gonna show you the right side, and then I'll show you the left, like the left-handed way to do it. So what we're gonna do is you want to go up, left, down, right, and see how that's that kind of square we had got into place. So what you want to do is you want to keep doing that until you solve that side. So I'll show you how to do the left-handed side. I just gotta find, oh, here's perfect. So like we said, we got this red, red, green, green, so it's in the right spot. So if you're left-handed and you want to do it, you want to do left, right, down, left, and then keep doing it up, right, down, left, up, right, down, and now we solved that one. So now you want to solve the rest of them, get them in the right spot. So again, we have blue, blue, orange, orange, and then up, right, down, left, up, left, down, right, in that spot. No, yeah. I'm tweaking. We got the right, okay, there we go, and now we solve that side. Okay, all right, and now we solved the whole white side. So next thing you want to do is you want to get these center pieces. You want to try to solve for the second layer. So what we want to do is look for these center pieces. We're gonna match them, and we want a centerpiece that does not have yellow on it. So we have green and orange, and we see green and orange. So this spot, this square goes right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it away, and then that kind of algorithm I just showed you, we want to do it. So we're gonna unsolve this. So we're gonna go up, right, down, left, and then we want to solve it again with doing the opposite way. So if you did it the left side, like the left-handed way, you want to do it the right-handed way. If you did the right-handed way, you want to do the left-handed way. So then we're gonna go up, right, down, and it's in the spot. So we want to keep doing this with all these. So we have green, red, that's right here. So again, we're gonna go up, right, down, left, and then up, left, down. Got it in that spot. Did I do it wrong? Oh, I didn't turn it away. See, bro, I'm tripping. It's too early for this. All right, so again, we're gonna go up, right, down, and then up, left, down. Bro, I just messed up the whole, okay guys, and we have solved the whole second layer. I'm sorry I messed up. Like, I'm recording this video, it's 6:30. I've gotten like 4 hours of sleep, but I want to get it done. But okay guys, so now we're gonna solve for the yellow cross, but it actually looks like my yellow cross is already done, you can see. But I'm gonna show you guys what to do anyway. So what you would do is take one of these sides, turn it sideways, and then you'd wanna solve doing the algorithm that I showed you, which we're gonna do right because I'm right-handed. So we're gonna go up, left, down, right, and then you'd flip it to the side, and you get like this L shape. You want this L shape to be on like the top left corner. So we didn't solve it, so then we're gonna do it again. So do up, left, down, right, and then let's check again. And you got this straight line going. When you get this straight line, you kind of know like, oh, like we're almost there. So flip it again, up, right, down, left, and I messed that up, and we got the yellow cross. So now we want to make sure these center pieces are lined up, which they all are, and I'll show you guys on another cube like what you would do like if they're not. So like if they're not lined up, you would want to do what? You go up, left, down, left, then you go up again, and then put it all the way back, and then down, and then that would have like it would make sense. It would make sense if like I actually showed you, but basically you would have this. You have, I think, either 1, 2, or all 4 lined up, and we have all 4. But what you really want is make sure all 4 are lined up, and then you want to check for make sure all the yellow corners on the right piece, because that's kind of the step we're on. So this one's already solved. This one's in the right spot. This one's in the right spot. And this one's in the right spot. And you'll be able to tell, of course, kind of like everything else. Like, it would just be in between, like, the colors it's supposed to be in. So, because it's in the right spot, I gotta show you guys what it would look like if it's not in the right spot. So, bring back my trusty random cube. Well, I actually... I can't believe I'm teaching a YouTube like kind of tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Like, I never would have thought I'd been teaching something like this, but here we are. So yes, what was I saying? Ah, yes. So if the corners are in the right spot, you do something like this. You would do. All right, guys. Sorry about the blurry camera. The original recording didn't really show this step clearly, so I'm gonna walk you guys through it again. So what you want to do is first you want to turn the top layer to the left, then you want to turn that right side up, then you want to turn the top layer to the right, then turn that left side up, and that's going to be like the first kind of iteration of the sequence. So then after you've done that, you want to turn the top layer to the left, then turn the right side down, then you want to turn the top layer to the right, then turn that left side down. And after that, all the corners should be in the right spot. If it's not, just repeat the same algorithm and keep doing that until all the corners are getting the right spot. Okay, so now I'll show you how to solve for the corners if you needed to. We're gonna go ahead and solve the cube. So when you're ready to solve the cube, you gotta be very careful. Now, I'm gonna say this again. When you go to solve the cube, you have to be very careful. Because I messed up on this part a lot. Like a lot. Like enough for all of us. Everybody watching. So, what you want to do. You want to flip the cube upside down. Flip the cube upside down. So you want the white side to be on top. Okay guys, so my camera died again. But we're going to try to finish this thing. So, like I was saying. You want to make sure all the cubes are in the right place. And this is the most important part. So what we're gonna do is that the algorithm again. So we're gonna go up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. That's solved. And you do not want to turn the cube. You only want to move this bottom piece. Only this bottom piece. And then we're gonna do again. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Solve that one. Go to this one. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And we have solved oh shoot. We have solved the Rubik's Cube, as you guys could see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and comment if this video helped you. Like I said, I kind of got this idea like doing a school assignment, and I was kind of like, like it'd be so like cool if I could actually like make this video like more like me. So I was like, you know, like why not just make a Rubik's Cube tutorial? Like nobody's stopping you. So I made it. But like I said, if this helped you, please let me know. If you solved the cube, please let me know. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.